Tired of freezing showers every morning? Let's fix that vibe. Meet the Havells Adonia Wave, your voice-activated shower body. And oh, it glows in different colors, so you know when it's ready. Safety first, right? This bad boy comes with overheat protection. No Wi-Fi, no problem. It works just fine offline. Check the temp easily with the hidden digital display. Worried about shocks? It's India's first integrated shock-safe plug. Plus, you get free flexi pipes and free installation included. And a 7-year warranty? That's like marrying the best geyser. So what are you waiting for? Grab your Havells Adonia Wave now.